tightly spaced, blocky tread minimizes rolling resistance until braking allows the knobs to truly dig in. Supportive side knobs deliver traction when trying to keep the bike upright on off-camber surfaces. Rear tire of choice for our enduro athletes, while also excelling as a front tire on hardpack trails. 914 grams. Usage: cross-country, trail, all mountain. Conditions: dry to damp, hardpack to loam. Casing: durable. Weight: 938 grams. Tight enough tread spacing for high speed, drag-free onslaughts, yet blocky and tall enough to really dig in when it comes time to slam on the brakes. A rounded profile and staggered, supported side knobs keep clamoring for traction even as the trail loses its camber. Comp tires are cost-effective tires that feature grippy DNA rubber, robust casings, and wire beads designed for non-tubeless use. Top reviews from the United States. Good bang for the buck, don't overinflate. Bought these tires to replace some cheap Schwinn MTB tires I had on my bike after losing traction on a blue-black downhill and falling. I think the tires are good bang for the buck. The tires are wider and have a taller profile compared to other tires, which should help soak up some bumps. The sidewalls are thinner compared to my previous tires, so it'll be interesting to see how they hold up. The tires look good and I feel that they provide plenty of grip. One thing I found on WTB website is that the recommended Simon to max is 30 to 45 pounds per square inch for the comp tires, and even lower for the tubeless tires. I have mine set to 35 front, 37 rear. The other thing to consider if using these with tubes, make sure your tubes can inflate to 2.35 since these are wide tires. I'll update this after I try them out on the trails.